Daniel, where is your shoes? Where is the shoe? Let's see your shoe.
Hi Ben, why don't you print Daniel's shoes?
Yeah, let me try it. Maybe I can manage to do something. No?
Yeah, why don't you print? You have a 3D printer.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's try to make a shoe for you.
Yay,
for the beach, no?
Yay!
So hey guys, we are now in my small workshop and let's get to the job. Okay, so what do we need for that? Basically, we need paper, pen. First we need to take size of the feet to make it right. Let's go and just draw the feet on the paper. Hey baby, we have to do some drawings. Look, we have a paper, we have a pen. We need to draw your feet on the paper. We need to switch it on. Yeah, pretty much good. So what you have to do is just stand like that, yeah? Look what Daddy gonna do. We're gonna draw your feet. Okay, so that's pretty much a good size for it, yeah? We're gonna make this, that, and this from that and that. Yeah, you can try yourself. So now when we get all the sizes, let's proceed to the actual work. I like to do all the drawings on the paper, so actually I can see dimensions. So now we have the shoe. Let's see the actual size of the shoe. We go around with some different colors. Okay, something like that. Okay, now we need a length, which is, so that would be, let's say 1440 millimeters. From here till here we have 5.6, 6.8, 4.8. Okay. Now we need to take measurement of the height. I'm gonna make something like a flip-flop. 24. Then going up to 42. Now out of this we need to make a nice, good-looking shoe. Alright, so we basically finish modeling our shoe. Let's try to print out our first shoe for baby and let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, so it's the next day already and the shoe is ready and I think it's the time to try it on. So that's how you remove the support from TPU. So try it on. Hi there, look what I got. Come here, I forgot, this is right or left? It looks like left or right. Okay. A little bit too big, but it's okay now. We need to make this one a little bit more thin. This will be a little bit more like a real shoe, because it looks right now like a swimming shoes, the one you swim with. It's not a good... So, what do you think? Okay, so basically what we learned from this lesson is that actually we need to make the shoe a little bit more thin. So I used 2 millimeters, now we're gonna use 1 millimeter. So it will be more flexible than it is. Then we need, of course, make shape a little bit more thin on this side of the shoe. Then we're gonna make some holes, so it looks like flip-flop. A little bit more shorter, because it turns out almost 1 centimeter longer than my actual baby feet. And that is gonna wait for you in our next part. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, leave the comments below.